Hello friends, welcome to your own YouTube channel Everest Education. This is exercise 8.2 and now let's do its question number first. Evaluate the following. In this question we have to evaluate. To evaluate these problems, you just have to remember the trigonometric table as I have told you in the introduction video. I told you to how to remember the full trigonometric table by just remembering only science table. Now let's solve it. Sine 60. So what is the value of sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 30. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2 plus sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2. And now root 3 into root 3 equal to 3 upon 2 into 2 equal to 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 4 by 4 equal to 1 is the answer. 4 and 4 cancelled out. So 1 is the answer. Now its second part. 2 tan square 45. 2 tan square 45 cos square 30 minus sin square 60. We have to solve this. To solve this, firstly we just need the values. So what is the value of tan 45? It is 1. 2 into 1 and its square plus what is the value of cos square 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 and its whole square minus sin square 60. So what is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and its whole square. Now you can clearly see that it is in plus and this one is minus, so it is cancelled out. Now what it comes out as 2 into 1 equal to 2. So 2 is the answer for this problem. Now let's third for third one. Firstly we should know the value of sine 45. So what is the value of sine 45? Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 upon sec 30 is 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 is 2. Now we will simplify it. 1 by root 2 upon 2 by root 3 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 2 root 3 upon root 3. It will be something like this. Now we will simplify more to it. So it will be root 3 upon root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Now we will rationalize it. Root 3 by root 2, root 3 by 2 root 2 and root 3 plus 1. We have taken 2 common from these, so it comes out as 2 root 2 to outside. Now we will rationalize it by multiplying root 2 and root 3 minus 1 upon root 2 root 3 minus 1. Now we will simplify it. So what it will come out as? It will come out as 3 to the 6 root 6 and root 3 minus 1 upon 2 to the 4 4 to the 8. So root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. So 2 and 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 4. So what it will come? It will become 4, and a plus b and a minus b. It will be a square plus b square. A square minus b square. It will be a square minus b square. So root 3 whole square minus 1 and its whole square. So what it will come out as? Root 6 6 3 18 root 18 minus root 6 upon 4 into, so 3 3 are 9, so it will be not 9. Root 3 into root 3 equal to 3 and minus 1 equal to 2, so 4 into 2. And now what finally it comes out as? Upon 8, it comes out as 3 root 2. We can write it like this: 3 3 are 9, 9 2 are 18 minus root 6. So this is the answer. Now remaining 2 will be in next video. Thank you.